Well, this is the last time I'm going to be shooting in this set as it is, because I'm getting rid of this studio in a couple days, and we're moving out of our condo in a couple days, and we're consolidating into a new house where I'm going to put the studio into the basement, have it all in one place. But for now, a little bit of a sentimental period for me as I pack this up. I'm looking at the shot here on the monitor, and I like this shot. I like this studio. I've had it for about 2.5 years now, and it's been good to me and good to my channel. Did a lot of collabs here, you know. I think I'm gonna miss it. So I figured I would just record the last little clip here, just like I did in my previous studio before I packed that one up and came here. But yeah, so to everybody who's been here for the ride, if you remember when I set this up 2.5 years ago and you were there for that, thanks for sticking it out. And I don't have anything else to say really, other than it's been a good studio. All right, let's pack it up. No, I should have said let's get undone. That was a perfect opportunity to say let's get undone. Instead I said let's pack it up. That's not my catchphrase. All right.